Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. We start off with this gorgeous Bixie haircut. Absolutely stunning. I am such a fan of this particular haircut. I think that it is a great option that provides elements of both the pixie and the bob hairstyle. Then we see this gorgeous split dyed money piece highlight shaggy cuts. Two very popular trends infused in one hairstyle. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have another shaggy curly bob hairstyle. Followed by this gorgeous tousled bob complete with bangs. And then we have a long to a bob haircut transformation. Absolutely stunning. I love the texture that the stylist did with this one as well. And then we have another long to bob haircut transformation. And the stylist ended up doing a chic long bob hairstyle for that one. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.